Radio prendre ça en photo. Discovery.
Folks, it seems they're feeling nice. Give her more attention. Give her more funny. All about money, isn't it, baby? All right, hold on. I got this $1 for you. I'm sure I'll catch this. You have $1.
You sure don't.
Does anyone got $1 to use? Everyone, let's stand up. What's your name? Tiffany, where you from? Tampa. How's that for alliteration? Tiffany from Tampa. She just volunteered. Big hand for Tiffany.
Hi, Tiffany. Can you go ahead and put your left arm up like this? Your other left arm. Put the dollar bill in your right hand up in the air so it's a little higher up so Phoebe can see it. Phoebe, see that dollar bill? Go get it. All right, go ahead and hand the dollar bill to Phoebe. Turn around and bring it on back. Thanks a lot.
Hey, Tiffany, you got $20 for me, babe?
Billy, you're just kidding.
I am?
You were.
Look, I don't think it's fair. I can't shake her down for $20. Phoebe gets to keep her $1.
And I'm sure that she would agree with the both of us.
Probably.
You want to go ahead and stand back up? Put your left arm out like this. Your right arm out like this.
Tiffany, go like this and come get your money.
Keep doing it again. Go ahead and put your left arm up like you did before. Phoebe's going to return your dollar bill. All right, go ahead and take the dollar bill from Phoebe and puff her up. She's going to give you a kiss.
I'll bring that for Phoebe, our great volunteer. Thank you, Tiffany. Oh, yeah, Phoebe's finances figured out. What else did she do?
She's great at fighting for hoop.
Does that make her a hooping crane?
Actually, she's a parrot, not a crane. Cranes have much longer neck.
Thanks, you really know how to kill a joke.
You don't need my help for that.
Let's just see what she can do.
Ladies and gentlemen, what Phoebe will attempt to do is fly out into the theater, up through that first tube over there, dive bombing over your head, missing you by inches if you're lucky, zipping through that second into the center, on around to that third loop on the right, then she's going to fly right back to your knee.
I don't believe she can do it.
I know she can do it.
I bet you $1 she can't do it.
You're wrong. Audience, she's going to need plenty of support. Are you ready? Mark, set, go! There goes Phoebe. Through the second, through the third, and back to you.
All right, moving right along. What next?
You don't get dollars.
Oh, yeah. Hey, get it from Tiffany. She's got money.
Brother.
Well, so next we'll bring out our next bird.
Camera.
Standing up to the horn, you know the camera.
Page 5. I highlighted it.
Well, how about a demonstration of that silent flight there, Phantom? Was that close enough for you? Well, silent flight is possible because owl feathers are very soft and have
Cone-like projections that act as mufflers. Fine.
owls also use their heart-shaped face, much like a satellite dish, to focus in on an object. Now this ability, coupled with their silent flight, enables one barn owl to catch and consume up to 1,500 mice in a single year, making them one of...
A big hand for Phantom!
Some people, owls like me are also known as knocking owls, because their call sounds like a woodpecker knocking on the hollow log.
Knocking owl. Hey, Mia. Knock, knock.
Oh, I hope you don't expect me to say, who's there?
Owl.
Owl who?
All that's left to do is get a big round of applause for our beautiful owl. Hey, Sean, do I have a chance to do the thing I want to do? 2 minutes, Craig. Hey, folks, look, I normally don't stop the show here, but I brought something to the park today that I'd like to try and do for the show. So if you guys just going to hang out for a couple minutes, just indulge me. I'll bring him out, show him to you, and I promise we'll go right back to the old bird game, okay? It's just that he was so cute. Ah, did you see Sarah? Yes, she ran that way, man.
Back this way?
That way, into the rain.
Yeah, if you can help me find her, because she's really fast.
Randy!
I'm going to get my own.
Randy!
Oh,
She's on stage, man.
there she is. Sarah, get over here.
Boy, she can sure move when she wants to.
Well, she's your man. Sarah Young can reach running speed of up to 25 miles an hour. Now these guys, they also have kind of an unusual way of preparing their food. Would you guys out there like to see what I mean? We can compare to that. Would you guys like to see what I mean? Alright. First we have to find some of Sarah's favorite food. There should be something crawling around. What's in your hand there, Billy?
Murphy, my pet snake.
A snake, can I hold it?
Your hand's
of guy. He'll be
As long as
perfect.
it's Brady, please don't let anything happen.
I'm going to put him in the show if that's cool.
That'd be cool.
Very good. I got a perfect spot.
Hey, let's do it.
These Seriana beaks and people aren't very strong. So they need to kill their prey by, hold on a second. They kill their prey by beating it on the ground. Now this technique not only kills their prey, it also softens it up, making it easier for them to swallow.
Wow.
Yeah. These Seriamas, they are sometimes called lizard smashers.
Yeah, that's not a lizard.
That's a reptile, whatever. One more slam dunk there, Sarah. Make it a good one.
No, 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 no.
Well, I really hope you're getting Sarah here back to her home. We'll see you and Murphy later. Share the dinner, and sometimes even share the same perch.
Oh, so they eat fish too.
So, Billy, not that kind of perch. I'm talking about a high point, such as a tree branch or even a cactus top, to rest on while searching for prey. If there is a lack of suitable perches, these hawks, especially out in the desert southwest where these guys are found. Now, out there, food and water are very scarce. So what these hawks will do to the right, a third one will come from the rear to make the kill. And once the kill has been made, it will be shared amongst the whole group. Now, this cooperative technique actually helps to increase their survival rate by up to 75%. Now, these hawks are also known as the bay-winged hawks due to the beautiful chestnut colors on their wings and above their legs, which you guys are going to get a close look at here in just a second.